Do you want to free up some space in your iCloud? In this video, I will show you how to delete old backups from iCloud quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the very top of the page. After that, tap iCloud. And then tap where it says iCloud Backup. So now, at the bottom, you'll see a section called All Device Backups. And it will show you all the devices that you've backed up in iCloud. Just tap on the old and outdated backup that you want to delete. And then simply tap where it says Delete and turn off backup. And it will delete that specific backup from iCloud. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.